Good morning, Bryan City Schools. All freshmen on February 27th will receive training on CPR and how to use an AED. All freshmen will be broken up into 4 different groups that day, each lasting around 45 minutes. February 28th will serve as a makeup day if needed.
The Varsity Girls fell to Delta 48-28. Leading the way for the Bears was Amaiah Valderas with 6 points.
Good luck to all the state swimmers and divers this weekend. The state qualifiers for Meggie Voigt, Izzy Rigg, Audrey Zimmerman, Taylor Peters, Lauren Wityk, Hannah Goodrich, Addie Oberlin, Kellen Rigg, Jeremy Durdel, Collin Barrow Whetro, Jackson Miller, and Joey Kimble.
Congratulations to both boys and girls bowling on their sectional championship. Wade Alpart bowled a 649 for the boys and Emma Mead bowled a 618. Great job, bowlers.
Freshman boys are NWOAL tournament champs with a 28-20 win over Liberty Center. Leading scores were AJ Martinez with 10 points and Jay Damron with 7. Other team members were Carter Brown, Trent Wolf, Logan Moss, and Craig Jackson.
Bryan defeated Paulding on Saturday 59-39. Leading the way for the Bears was Caleb Zuver with 21 points on 7 threes and Reese Jackson with 10 points.
The NWOAL League wrestling meet was held on Saturday. Congrats to Dylan McCandless for his 2nd place finish.
Have a great day, kids.
I'm out.